Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video we are going to see how to download and install TVS RP45 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First go to the start and type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. Center it. In a printers and scanner, here you find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up. New options are the printer that I want is listed. Click on that. Click on the yes. Close it. Here we find many options in add a printer. I go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual setting. Select your last option and click on the next. Existing port is the most IMP part. Click at here and select your proper port. In this case I attach my printer with the USB, so I select the USB port. Select any USB port, USB 001, 002, 003, 004. Select your proper port. Select your port USB and click on the next. Here you find many options. In a manufacturer, select generic in a manufacturer. In a printer list, select generic text only. Click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give TVS space RP 45. You can give any name that you like. I give this name. You can give any name that you like. This is the TVS RP 45 dot matrix printer. There are two printers with the same name, but only one difference is the L. It is an TVS RP 45. Make sure type this name. You can type any name and click on the next. Install printer is installed in a few seconds. After that, if you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, scroll down, and if you find your printer name TVS RP45, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.